How to delete search history on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on search button at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on see all at the top right. Then you'll find all your history. Click on clear all at the top right corner of your screen. It will delete all your search history. But even if there is nothing in here, you will find something like search history. Click on three lines and then go to your profile. Click on your name. After that, click on three dots beside edit profile. Then go to activity log. Click on activity log and then swipe all the options to the left and then you'll find search history. Click on it. After you click on search history, you'll find all your search history in here. Click on clear searches at the top and all your search history will be deleted. This is how to delete search history on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.